Hi guys, I am in Gurgaon for a live show today. और मैंने सोचा कि ईद आ रही है and mostly मैं शायद ईद पर घर पर नहीं रहूंगी because my schedule is going just mad. Of course, my movie is releasing on the 23rd of July, so do watch it, okay? But जिंदगी काफी ज्यादा hectic रही है. I've been like in shows, in shoots and all of that. So I was hoping that because I have a show tonight, I'm going to do a glam look, right? For makeup and for my outfits and everything. So maybe it can help you for your Eid look. Right? So I'm trying to be nice to you guys. I hope किसी ना किसी को ये look काम आए आपके ईद के glam look में. So let's go. What am I going to start with? Of course is the Derma Vive Hydra Cleanser. It is my absolute favorite. I am going to wash my face with it क्योंकि मैं नहा तो ली हूँ of course, लेकिन मैं अपना face wash बाथरूम में ले जाना भूल गई थी. So there you go. And like I always say, dab dab dab. Okay, and of course, how can I forget the Nutriderm moisturizing lotion. I absolutely love it. Just a little bit of it is enough for your entire face and your neck. सबसे बेस्ट पार्ट है कि चिकनी नहीं है, क्रीम चिकनी नहीं है. So it's just enough moisturizing for your under eye, for your lids, for your forehead, and we're ready. So let's go do our makeup. Okay, so I am ready. It's going to be pretty chaotic. I have my team with me as well. तो पीछे वो आते रहेंगे. That's Prasad. And let's start. So what we're going to do is I'm going to do a very quick version. जिसके पास अगर ईद के दिन बहुत chaos होता है तो time अगर कम है, so this is what you need to do. I'm going to use a liquid base, not too much of the cream one because that takes time to blend and all of that. What I'm going to do is first start with my face all over. Okay, so I'm just going to put the MAC Studio Fix fluid, just like every time that I use it. क्योंकि मैंने विटामिन ई मॉइस्चराइजिंग लोशन ऑलरेडी लगा दिया है न्यूट्रीडर्म का, तो मैं और उसको ज्यादा प्राइमर नहीं लगाऊंगी. ऑफ कोर्स द प्राइमर इज ग्रेट क्योंकि वो आपके पोर्स को क्लोज कर देता है, लेकिन बिकॉज आई एम डूइंग अ क्विक वर्जन आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू यूज अ प्राइमर. एंड इफ योर स्किन इज गुड इनफ, आई डोंट थिंक यू नीड अ प्राइमर ऑल द टाइम. कभी कभी यू कैन डू इट without the primer as well. I know everybody asks about this brush. This is by Rene by Ashka Goradia. It's just the best blending brush क्योंकि it's not really round and इसका जो bristle है काफी thick है, तो वो blending बहुत अच्छा करता है. I mean, I personally love it. Okay, this is too much of base, so I'm going to use my finger just for the under eye. And I don't like too much base, so जो extra होता है मैं उसे अपनी उंगलियों से निकालने की कोशिश करती हूँ. So Prasad is a very good makeup artist and he's been with me for so many years. He's great with bridals and he's great with a lot of things that he does. He used to actually Shubhangi and Prasad used to work for Nigar, and that's how the team came to me. So Nix, I love you. Thank you. Just on your problem areas, you can put a little bit. And now I will cut my nose with any dark shade. Starting with the fat part of my nose, cutting it where I can make it look absolutely natural. And let's go up half your nose. I don't like to go all the way up to my eyes because I think it just looks very artificial. Don't forget the curves, like I always say. जो आपके crevices हैं, जो आपके depths हैं, उन्हें भूल मत जाइए. And yeah, that's the cutting of my nose. And now I will powder it with my favorite Benefit and just dab dab dab. Another great tip is that आप please जब भी powder लगाएं, don't do that on your face. It's the worst thing you can do because आपका base फिर बाहर नहीं आएगा. Especially your nose and your T area, your under eye. क्योंकि मैं जल्दी में कर रही हूँ और ईद के दिन भी आई एम श्योर आप सभी को बहुत जल्दी होती है. So just use a liquid base. It's the most fun thing to use. Okay, now we're gonna do the eyebrows, and like always I'm gonna use a very thin angular brush And one great tip is that if you wet your brush, then ज़्यादा powder आपके eyebrow में लगेगा नहीं. So I'm gonna try and keep this natural. Again, angular strokes. मैंने अपने last video में भी बोला था. Remember to leave your insides empty, okay? See, if you just leave this empty, it looks so natural, right? And not too dark. So yeah. जहाँ जहाँ आपके empty spaces हैं, जैसे भी आपको shape देना है, you can shape it up. There you go. I think they're pretty equal. Again, दिन होगा ईद के दिन, so जब usually guests जो आते हैं वो दिन के वक्त ही आते हैं, so try बहुत ज़्यादा dark eyebrows ना करें and just keep it as natural as you can. But even with that, you can have a glamorous look. So, oops, मेरी light गिर गई. Now if you have a transparent eyebrow setter, so again जैसे मैंने last time बताया था, just take it and make it the shape that you want. Usually upwards जाते हैं तो उन्हें नीचे मत ले आइएगा. There you go. Now because मेरा glamorous show है तो glitter, shimmery, of course वो तो होगा ही. So for my base I'm going to use the Too Faced that I have, which is the glitter palette, Too Faced का glitter palette. उसे set करने के लिए, shimmer को set करने के लिए, I'm going to use the matte base color, which is called the brightening base. So I'm going to do the white one. Okay, so now I have put the brightening base just so that I can get the pop of the shimmer. और इसके बाद what I'm going to do is first I'm going to do my socket and then I'm going to add the shimmer on top ताकि वो glitter गिरे ना मेरे face पे. Okay, so I'm going to take my favorite small short brown brush and we're going to try and give it darkish look. So I'm going to use Anastasia ka Mulberry. It is a really dark color, not red, not brown. It's somewhere in between. So yeah. ग्लैमरस लुक के लिए आपको सॉकेट क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा, एटलीस्ट मेरी छोटी आंखों की वजह से. ऑफ कोर्स ब्लेंडिंग में कहीं पर डार्क कहीं पर लाइट रह जाता है एंड दैट्स द आर्ट ऑफ ब्लेंडिंग. एंड नो आई एम नॉट गोना डू राउंड आईज, आई एम गोना पुल इट आउट, बट एज ऑफ नाउ मैं सिर्फ इसको सॉकेटिंग कर रही हूँ. ओके, जहाँ भी आपको लगता है थोड़ा बहुत एक्स्ट्रा है तो उसे निकाल सकते हैं उंगली से. I think that is pretty even. Yeah? Okay, good. So now what I'm going to do is now I'm going to add the shimmer. And इसमें से Too Faced का जो glitter palette है, उसमें से I'm going to take the Work It, which is like this color. The orangey, you know, maroonish. And then इसके ऊपर again उंगलियों से, because मैं जल्दी में हूँ. Remember, ईद के दिन आप भी जल्दी में रहेंगे. So yeah. जल्दी में बहुत गड़बड़ी भी होती है. Wow, look at that. Just look at that. Looks so cool. And yes, मैंने अपने cheek पे थोड़ा बहुत गिरा दिया है, but don't worry about it. I'm going to show you what you can do to take it off. It's a beautiful color. Wow. It's called Work It. Work It. Work it. Okay, there you go. Use the same brush, or if you have an angular brush, you can use that also. But I'm gonna now use like a glittery version, thoda shimmery version of the same dark one that I have used to pull it out. Okay, so what we're gonna do is ये जो आपने socketing की है, उसको ऊपर जाके now pull it diagonally upwards so you get like length. जो extra गिर जाता है, just take a brush and take it off. ज़्यादा hard मत करना, hard करोगे तो वो चिपक जाएगा. So all you have to do is lightly just dust it off. Okay? Shimmer में वही dark color थोड़ा add करके get the socket and then pull it out. See that? Going into the socket and उसी चीज को फिर मैं बाहर ऊपर की तरफ लेके जा रही हूँ. And जहाँ पर पसंद नहीं है वहाँ पर उंगली से आप निकाल सकते हैं. You see that? You see the difference? This looks much bigger and bold, and this is smaller. Okay, so now I'll do the same on this eye. Okay, so now to make the eye look a little brighter and give it a little pop, what I'm gonna do is यही Too Faced glitter palette में fairy dust जो एक shimmer है, it's light, so it's like a little whitish thing. So what I've done is taken a little bit of it on my finger and I'm just gonna put it in the middle, just here, nowhere else, just here. And जो अगर extra bit हो जाता है तो दूसरी उंगली से आप उसे blend कर सकते हैं. You see? Suddenly this eye is popped up and this is not. So again, the white one. Okay, I think my eyes are done. I'm going to do the highlighter with a flat brush. Flat brush लेके आप कोई भी highlighter use कर सकते हैं, which is a neutral shade. And all you can do is just add it to the corner so it looks neat. Not too much. And especially अगर आपका socket नहीं है, so your eyes can look very heavy with extra highlighter. So don't do that. And since हमने यहाँ इतना ज़्यादा shimmer add किया है, ऊपर shimmer मत add करिएगा. Use a matte, any matte highlighter. Well, लाइनर लगाना मैंने कई सारे वीडियोस में दिखाया है, but this is a nice glam look that I want to do for my show and you can try for Eid as well. कैसे लगाते हैं वो मैंने already अपने IGTV पे दिखाया हुआ है in my last video, so try that out. This is how I've put it and I think it looks very nice. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on some fake lashes, which I hate. I hate putting on fake lashes क्योंकि मुझे लगता है बहुत ज़्यादा artificial हो जाता है. लेकिन we're doing a glam look, so we're gonna do natural looking lashes. Lash लगाने से पहले don't forget to do your mascara. So I have done my mascara and I think it looks pretty nice just without the lashes also. लेकिन क्योंकि मैं शो कर रही हूँ तो I think stage पे बड़ी आंखें दिखाने के लिए don't ever do those really big fake ones, you know, which become so heavy. I'm gonna use the Euro Paris lashes, which is the number 54. I think it's very natural for a glam look. But for an absolutely natural look, I think आपको बस lash पहनना ही नहीं चाहिए. Which I have learned actually over the years. बहुत सारे सालों के experience के बाद मैंने ये सीखा है कि you don't really need to wear lashes. Okay, I want to show you how much glue to put actually. बहुत कम. Okay. अगर आपके पास अच्छा glue है तो बहुत कम. Okay. And now I'm going to show you how I wear my lashes. Just make sure कि it goes below your liner. लाइनर के ऊपर लगाओगे तो आपका आंख का शेप बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं आएगा. So as close to your lash as possible. You need all your concentration for lashes, otherwise you're doing it. आपके लैश के जितने नजदीक हो सकता है आप लगा लीजिए. I think this will work. Yes! Fabulous. So can you see like how beautiful that looks and not artificial? अब मैं बताती हूँ कि अगर आपका गुत्था बन जाए तो आपको निकालना कैसे है. ठीक है, तो आपको ऐसे पकड़ना है. ओके, अगर आपका चिपक गया है एंड आपका अगर नीचे वाला उसके साथ चिपक गया है तो आप अपने नीचे के लैश को ऐसे खोल सकते हैं like that. So then your lash blends into your fake lash and look how natural it looks. Now this one has a lash and this one doesn't. I'll do my other eye and come back. Okay, there you go. I've worn both my lashes and I think they look fabulous. Okay, now I'm going to do the contouring to my cheeks with a small brush, not too big because otherwise it just becomes too much. Where your face needs cutting. And now, थोड़ा सा और ज़्यादा loose brush लेके I'm going to do my cheeks. Just the apple of my cheek. Pink. Blend in your cutting जो आपने brown के साथ करी है. Now for my nose, I'm just gonna use a highlighter. कोई भी highlighter अगर आपके पास होगा, any shade is okay. Just again the tip of your nose. मैंने 2-3 shade blend किए हैं. So it doesn't matter whether it's a gold, whether it's a silver. And the same thing you can dust a little bit or on your forehead. Not too much, just a little bit. And above your lip. Okay. Wow, that looks so nice. Yeah, perfect. Now it's perfect. आई एम डन विद माई ग्लैम लुक. सो आप भी ये लुक जरूर ट्राई करिएगा ईद के दिन. बट येस, इफ यू फाइंड दैट एनीथिंग आपको ऊपर नीचे करना है इस लुक में, आप कर सकते हैं. बट आई होप यू ओवरऑल you like this look. I love it. Thank you so much for joining me, and do not forget to use good products for your face like the Derma Vibe Hydra Cleanser and the Nutriderm Moisturizing Lotion with Vitamin E, which gives you these results. Bye. Eid Mubarak.